Now, in the last video, if you guys remember me talking about the Apetamin, the supplement that I told you I was going to tell you, the maca, okay? This is what I got. I got this kind. I do work at the herb shop, so I do get all this herb in bulk. When I'm at work, I might get like a smoothie or something, or if I don't put it, you know, in something, then I will make my own capsules, my own gelatin capsules. That way it will be easier. Yeah, that way it will be easier to take, so I could just make them and whatever. So yeah, maca is the secret weapon that I'm using until my Apetamin comes. Okay, now maca is a root, you can say, and it does help your hormones and your sex drive. I mean, that's just one thing, but I don't really use it for that. I use it for the protein and for the muscle buildup and the muscle buildup. And I'm just telling you guys, no lie, I've been taking makeup. Don't shoot me, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Whatever it is, maca. I've been using maca for like.
Well, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and complete this mission.
I've been taking maca for no lie, 3 days. My thighs is already bulking up, and you can tell in my chest area that it's kind of filling out, and my booty area is filling out. So this is very exciting news to see and to hear and to tell you guys, because I'm telling you, it's no lie. And plus, the Apetamin is already in my system. The maca is in my system, and then I'm getting a new shipment in a couple days. Is probably Monday. Today's Sunday, probably Monday. Hopefully Tuesday. If not, I don't like waiting for my stuff, so I don't know. I'm gonna have to. I don't know, but I'm waiting patiently. Yeah, that was what I was gonna tell you guys. If you guys see my last video, or if you see this video first, or whatever, I'm telling you guys it. What else do I need to tell you guys in this video? Oh, maca, you can get maca in any form. Capsule, that's already there. Capsule, they have the bulk herb. I say is the least expensive. But this is the best quality in the herb shop, but least expensive. If that makes any sense, you could just get an ounce of this, or you know, however many, and you only using a little bit. It's the freaking powder, and it's good because it goes through your system quick. Or you can have the capsules that's in, like, they have like a Now brand. They also have Nature Sunshine or whatever like that, but with the Now brand, it's just another inexpensive brand to the Nature Sunshine. You know what I'm saying? All of them works very good. All of them works, you know, the same, but just about what you can afford, and it's just about what you want to do with your supplement and how you want to intake your supplement. So that's up to you. That's something that you would need to decide. I'm just helping out and branching out information and giving, you know, some tips. I'm telling you, I've been using maca for 3 days. 3 days, and the first day I put it in a capsule. I took that in the morning. I'm telling you, this makes you so hungry, just as hungry as you would get with Apetamin. No lie. The first day I took it, the first and second day I took it in the capsule for one time a day. The second day I think I took it twice, and the third day I took one capsule and I put some in my smoothie. I'm telling you, however you can do it. If you want to take the capsules, you want to put it in the shake or whatever, then you do it like that. One of my sister, Cam, I'm telling you, like, she was like, no offense, but are you gaining weight? And I'm just like, really? You can see it, but you can actually see it in my face. Like, I have some pictures and stuff that I can insert some pictures in this video as well, but I'm inserting it in my other video, you can actually see, like, you know what I'm saying, I can see for myself that my chest is filling out and my legs are bulking out and my booty. And that is very good news, because I'm telling you, I mean, I've been trying to gain weight for a minute, and me having high metabolism, I'm eating it and it ain't going nowhere but to the bottom of my stomach, and I'm ready to eat again. But Apetamin is really good, and it's, you know what I'm saying, it's natural, it's vitamin, and you're eating naturally, and you're eating healthy. Hopefully, it depends on whatever you eat. It's your choice to eat, but I advise you to eat healthy. A lot of protein, carbs, a lot of stuff with like omega-3s, energy, and you know, what I said, did I say protein? I think I did, but a lot of stuff like that. A lot of healthy eating foods, like meals. You know what I'm saying? If you're eating snacks, eat healthy snacks. But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all another update ASAP. But in the meantime, this is all I have to tell you. If I have something else, I'm gonna just say it and talk about it in my videos. You know, it's always an update. I'm always gonna be talking to y'all. So, Tosh Love out. I love you guys. Please subscribe. Please like. Please thumbs up. For my money. There is nobody, no one that run